Hello everyone, welcome to your notes channel by Mansi and Kushi. Here we prepare notes for you to understand and revise the concept. I am Kushi and today we are going to discuss articles. Basic introduction. The words a and the are called articles. They are used before nouns. Articles are actually demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things. So they are used before nouns. Indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite articles Indefinite articles refer to non-specific nouns. The indefinite articles are a and n. For example, I need a pen. I want an orange. Definite articles. Definite articles is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. For example, the rose has beautiful smell. She is a brilliant student. Uses of a and the. We use a and than before countables in the singular number. We use a before a countable in the singular number beginning with the consonant sound, like a banana, a lake. We use an before a countable in the singular number beginning with the vowel sound, like an egg, an apple. Facts about the article an. That we have not said words beginning with a consonant or a vowel. We have said words beginning with a consonant sound or a vowel sound. So if a words begin with a vowel but not a vowel sound, we use a before it. For example, a university. Here, university is of U sound. A European. Here, a European is of U sound. Some other words begin with a vowel but take a with them are uniform, unit, useful, use. If some words begin with an unsounded H, they also take an with them. For example, an honest boy, an honorable man. In abbreviations, if consonant begin with a vowel sound, they take an with them. An MA, an MP. Uses of the. We use the before a noun when we want to make it particular. For example, I have read the book you are talking of. Let us walk towards the front gate. With superlatives, the sweetest song, the most intelligent student. With such words as first, last, next, only, same, following, previous. The last bench, the only son, the next house. But the is not used with such expressions. Last night, week, month, year, next week, month, year. For example, what did you eat last night? The last night is wrong. Will you come here next Sunday? The next Sunday is wrong. With the common noun when that noun represents the whole class. The dog is a faithful animal. The elephant has a remarkable memory, or we can say elephants have a remarkable memory. With such nouns as earth, moon, sun, sky, etc. These things are the only ones of their kind, but they are not proper nouns. With the name of rivers, the Ganga, the Mahanadi, seas and oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, mountain range, the Himalayas, the Alps, holy books, the Mahabharat, the Bible, trains, ships, aeroplanes, the Taj Express, the Kanishka. Here, the Kanishka is a aircraft. The old family, the Bhatiyas, the Mangeshkars, the directions, the north, the south. Well known buildings, the gateway of India. The omission of the. Normally, we do not use the with proper nouns, abstract nouns, and such nouns as gold, silver, water, wood, etc., which name materials. For example, India is a great country. Beauty is admired by all. Gold is a precious metal. But when we use these nouns as particular ones, we have to use the with them. For example, the India plane of the 21st century is going to be a superpower. The beauty of New Jahan is famous all over the world. The gold we have purchased today seems to be pure. We do not use the with these phrases. To take place, to take part in, to take care of, to take interest in, to make use of, to pay attention to, on foot, by train, to take hurt, to lose hurt, by chance, day by day, by bus, at home. The repetition of the. Look at these two sentences. The poet and the dramatist have been honored. The poet and dramatist has been honored. The first sentence in which we have used the twice speaks of two different persons, one of whom is a poet and the other a dramatist. The second sentence suggests that the same person is both a poet and a dramatist. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. Do hit the like button. Share this video with your family and friends and comment your valuable thoughts with us. And please do not forget to subscribe your notes by Mansi and Khushi for further updates.